How to test single file under pytest. How do you test a single file in pytest? I could only find ignore options and no test this file only option in the docs. Preferably this would work on the command line instead of setup.cfg, as I would like to run different file tests in the IDE. The entire suite takes too long.
Simply run pytest with the path to the file. Something like: use the column syntax to run a specific test in the test file. Here test_func can be a test method or a class, for example, pytest test_mod.py column test class. For more ways and details, see specifying which tests to run in the docs.
This is pretty simple. The V flag is to increase verbosity if you want to run a specific test within that file. If you want to run tests which names follow a pattern, you can use. You also have the option of marking tests, so you can use the N flag to run a subset of marked tests. test_file.py. To run test marked with run_these_ please.
This worked for me. This works for individual test functions too.